Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids class name black color, blue color, yellow color, red color, yellow color, green color. Kids now coloring alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids firstly draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use black color. Kids now draw B. B for ball, B for bat, and use blue color. The alphabets of B. Kids now draw C. C for cat, C for car, and use yellow ochre color. Kids now draw D. D for dog, D for doll, and use red color. The alphabets of D. Kids now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant, and use yellow color. Kids now draw numbers. Kids firstly draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use black color. O and 1. Kids now draw 2. The numbers of 2 and use blue color. T W-O-2. Kids now draw 3. The numbers of 3 and use yellow ochre color. T-H-R-E 3. Kids now draw 4. The numbers of 4 and use red color. F-O-U-R 4. Kids now draw 5. The numbers of 5 and use yellow color. F-I-V-E 5. Kids now draw shapes and firstly draw square. The shape of square and use black color. The shape of square. Kids now draw circle. The shape of circle and use blue color. The shape of circle. Kids now draw triangle. The shape of triangle and use yellow ochre color. Kids now draw heart. The shape of heart and use red color. Kids now draw star. The shape of star and use yellow color. Kids today draw A, B, C, D, E numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes: square, circle, triangle, heart, and star. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.